Hello everybody and welcome! Who loves confetti? My name is Mint and today I have another tutorial just for you. We are going to make one of the characters from Hotel Transylvania. Because I love the movie, I decided to make one of the characters in LOL form. We are gonna use this doll and we are going to transform this already beautiful doll into the most incredible Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. I hope you love this tutorial. Let's go! Follow me into the tutorial. The very first thing we are gonna do is to cut her hair. I know, I'm so sorry. Mavis has completely straight hair. We need to cut a lot of things in the hair. I'm so sorry. Now I think I should have chosen another doll, but well, we are gonna use a little bit of tape and we are going to cover every hole that we made in her hair. We are ready. This is how she's looking so far. She looks kind of sad but funny at the same time. Now we are gonna take a little bit of black clay. We are gonna make a triangle shape for her bangs, like this. We are gonna take our pointing tool or any brush that you have and we are gonna try to make the hair. This is only to add a little bit of texture to the hair. You can use a really thin brush as well. And now we are gonna add the hair one by one all around. We need to cover all the bottom part. And at the end we are gonna make the hair go a little bit up like this. Now we just need to do the same thing all around the head. This is how she's looking so far. I just added a little bit of pieces of clay on top to make it a little bit, vacation. And now we are gonna paint her beautiful eyes blue with acrylic paint. Try to make it or try to paint it really slow. That way you don't lose the original shape of the eyes. And now with black acrylic paint, we are gonna add more eyeliner and 2 to 3 eyelashes. And we need to paint the eyebrows black as well. You should have something like this. And now, as always, because I really love this step, we are gonna add 2 dots of white acrylic paint to each eye. I just love it because it makes the doll look so much better, so much cuter. Something different with this doll, she has different positions for the eyebrows. I try to paint it as close to the other eyebrow as possible. We are gonna hide the eyebrows anyways. For the clothes, we are gonna use the same dress that came with this doll and we are just going to paint everything black. And after we have painted everything, we are gonna add the details that we need for the dress. And let me know in the comments if you want me to make other characters from Hotel Transylvania like this. Now you just need to paint everything black. We let it dry and we come back when it's everything ready. This is how our doll is looking so far. I love it. But we need a little bit of acetone to remove freckles that she has in her face. I didn't notice this before, so you should do it before you paint the eyes, but let's be really careful. This is optional, but we are gonna make something special for the doll. We are gonna add glitter to the eyes, and I think it looks really nice, so you should try it out definitely. When you are ready, it's time to add your glitter. You can add any color that you like. Because she has blue eyes, I added this really beautiful blue that I had. For the flower, we need a little bit of craft foam. We are gonna cut a little bit. And I printed this flower that is really similar to the one that she has in her hair. For the clothes, I decided I wanted to cut the bottom part of the dress. That way we can make the dress similar to the one that she has, the original version, by adding clay to the dress. Let's add a little bit of school glue to the dress. Then we are gonna add our air dry clay to the dress and start making the dress that she wears during the movie. We add one side, we go around, and the second side we add it to the opposite side. You want to have a shape similar to this one. We just need to cut the excess. Don't forget to cut the clay on the back so that you can open and close your dress. This is how our doll is looking. I really love the addition of glitter to the eyes. It makes the eyes really pop. As a final touch or detail, we need to paint her lips with black acrylic paint. Now we are gonna glue the flower to the hair. So cute! I love it so much. And to finish, we only need to add a couple of flowers to the dress. I also printed these flowers. We are going to glue the flowers to the dress with a school glue, and then we are gonna paint over the flower with a school glue as well so that we can protect the print. Well guys, this is the final result. I really love this doll. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Do you like this doll? Do you want me to make more Hotel Transylvania characters? Or if you have any ideas or suggestions for new videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Your ideas are so amazing. I love how the flowers turn out. I think it's way better to print the flowers than to paint them because it's so small. You get more details just by printing the flowers. But the eyes are my favorite part. I really hope you love this tutorial and that you can try it yourself. If you ever try one of my tutorials, let me know in the comments or let me know on Instagram. You can follow me and tag me in your pictures so that I can maybe post your pictures in my videos. That will be so awesome. And if you are not part of the Mint family, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss one of my videos. I'm going to keep doing tutorials, and I'm also planning on opening a toy channel because I know a lot of you come to the channel to see tutorials. I love you so much. Don't forget that you are awesome always and just the way you are. I love you a lot. I will see you soon. Mint out. Bye bye.